The yearly chart is not looking good for Nervos because it's down by over 40%. Because I care about the feeling of crypto investors, I did a detailed research on when this project would get back to 1 to 2 cents. So in this video, we will be discussing about it. Nervos canceled a zero around the same time Bitcoin hit $100,000. So it is safe to say Nervos Network project is following Bitcoin movement, and we all know that BTC has been crashing a lot lately. According to CoinMarketCap, the live price is $0.00471 with a minus 5.77% change. The market cap is around $222 million, which is pretty small, so it's more volatile. The technical analysis shows moving averages and RSI. The 7-day SMA is $0.004, and the current price is below that, indicating a bearish trend. The RSI 14 is 45.44, which is neutral but leaning towards oversold. MACD histogram is negative, showing bearish momentum. There's a recent article from August 12, 2025, about Nervos achieving quantum resistance. That's positive, but maybe it's already priced in. Another article from August 11 mentions CKB being part of mid-cap assets with growth potential, but that's a few days old. However, there's a warning from South Korea's DAXA about a security incident involving a bridge hack in June 2025. Even though that's a few months old, if exchanges are reacting now, it could affect price. Also, the token was part of a list with accumulation patterns, but the price is still down. The global crypto market is down 0.33% in 24 hours, so CKB's drop is worse than the market. Altcoin season index is 51, which is neutral, not driving altcoin buys. Fear and greed index is 39, so overall market sentiment is negative. Putting it all together, the main reasons are likely the broader market downturn combined with lingering concerns from past security issues. Also, technical indicators showing bearish trends. The recent quantum resistance news might not be enough to counterbalance the negative factors. Now, let's dive deep into the full details of CKB for those interested.
Today, we're diving into a blockchain that doesn't always make the headlines, but it raises an eyebrow or two from Vitalik Buterin from time to time. We're talking about Nervos Network, and this isn't just another smart contract platform. This is a layered blockchain architecture with some serious horsepower to fight quantum computing. So what exactly is Nervos Network, and what's their layered approach? They've got a layer 1 on Common Knowledge Base, or CKB, that is basically for secure decentralized storage. And on top of that, you can build layer 2s for scalability and performance, things like dApps, smart contracts, and rollups. Now, here's where things get really special, is that the CKB uses a cell model, and this is just like Bitcoin's UXTO, but with a powerful twist. It's programmable. Now, this model makes it even more flexible than Bitcoin and more secure at the base layer than Ethereum. So Nervos is kind of like this Bitcoin plus Ethereum plus modular design, but with long-term security in mind. There's been a lot of talk about quantum computing and how it'll impact cryptography in the future. It's the big elephant in the room. Quantum computers, once they mature, could really break traditional cryptography, including the digital signatures that protect your Bitcoin or Ethereum. We're talking about private keys being exposed, wallet strains, and really networks being compromised. And if all this happens, most blockchains could be vulnerable by default unless they adapt. You see, CKB is built to be crypto agnostic, meaning it can easily swap out cryptographic primitives, which are basically the building blocks used to secure cryptographic systems. And CKB can do this without needing a hard fork. So this is a huge advantage when quantum safe algorithms become standard. And unlike Ethereum's account model, Nervos uses a cell model where each cell is a programmable smart contract and data storage. So this allows for flexible, upgradable scripts that can be written with post-quantum cryptography in mind. So with that said, Nervos also runs a custom virtual machine called the CKB VM. This can execute a wide range of cryptographic scripts, even those not supported by Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, this gives developers huge freedom to adopt quantum safe standards as they emerge. We're not trying to put band-aids on big injuries after they've happened. So if you think about it, in a world where quantum computing breaks traditional crypto, Nervos can evolve its security without even breaking the chain. So its flexible design means that it can adapt before others even realize that they're at risk. This isn't just about surviving the future, folks. It's about being ready for it. And in terms of future proofing, quantum resistance, and modular flexibility, Nervos is really playing the long game, and they're doing it quite well. So you're going to need this if you're building for the future or at least investing in one. Check out Nervos Nation, the lifeblood of the Nervos Network community. They've got a great Telegram, and they'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Tell them Six Figs sent you. Peace.